You guys know what today is? It's the first annual Democracy Day, and who better to be a part of this monumental moment than a Gleek? In honor of the special day, Glee star Darren Criss is launching Rock the Vote's Democracy class. We love him. All over the country, students will be hooked up with this really cool class that teaches them the ins and outs of voting. And Darren is kicking the program off with thousands of Hamilton High School students in Los Angeles. Right now, as we speak, he's there with them. I got the chance to chat with him before the big event. It's our number 5 story of the day. What made you want to get involved in Democracy Day?
The whole thing of voting is very confusing, when you turn 18, and it's really important to kind of educate and encourage young people, especially high school juniors and seniors, about, how significant their vote is and how to get involved, and, let them know that their vote really does make a difference.
This event, Democracy Class, why is this so cool?
First of all, democracy is cool. I didn't really have the program and the enforcement of civics education and kind of, I had to go look for it. I had to go online, and I actually had to go to Rock the Vote and figure out how to register and what to do.
Hi, everybody. First of all, hi back there. Hi.
Kevin from the 7 says hi.
Hi, guys. What's the reaction been like to having Darren Criss at their high school?
Oh, I don't know. I'm not that cool. He's asking what the reaction is of having me around. I don't think it's that cool.
Which character did you see as class president?
Oh, man, that's a good question. I think Kurt would be an excellent class president, if not just so he could have, a really lavish campaign.
Now, speaking of Kurt, I guess, what's next for Blaine and Kurt? Have I heard prom rumors?
Yeah, I heard those same rumors, too. I guess it's going to happen. I don't know how or when, but I'm pretty excited about it.
How involved in, high school politics were you when you were a student?
I was in student government. I always did student council stuff or a lot of, planning for events, and I was my orchestra, and I sang for jazz band, and I was in theater, so I was all over the place.
Cool. Are you ever going to run for office? Are we going to see President Darren Criss one day?
I would be the worst president in the history of the United States. That'd be a terrible, terrible, terrible idea. Unless you wanted the apocalypse to happen, really soon, then yes, I'll run for president. Other than that, I think I'll stay as far away from political office as long as possible.
Darren, what you're doing out there is extremely cool. Thank you so much for joining us. Thanks to all the students back there behind you. We will talk to you very soon.
Thanks, guys. All right, cool, man. Peace.
He's a good dude. All right, let's keep this countdown moving with a...